Hello everyone, my name is Cody and I'm an application expert for MLC CAD systems in Orlando, Florida. Today I want to talk about the changes that have been made to the user interface in SOLIDWORKS 2020. So let's take a look at them real quick. First off, you're going to notice that the File Type dialog box has been modified. The box is much wider and it's better organized, meaning you will be able to find the correct file format a lot easier. Next, you will notice a new slider bar available to use to select between the different modes of your SOLIDWORKS files. Once you've selected the mode, you can then select the different options available in that mode to open up your file. SOLIDWORKS is great when it comes to customizing your keyboard shortcuts, toolbars, the tabs that you want to use, the list goes on. So now in SOLIDWORKS 2020, you can modify all of these customizations in one place by right-clicking on one of the Command Manager tabs or the Command Manager. So speaking of customizations, SOLIDWORKS has introduced one more keyboard shortcut in 2020, and I believe you're going to find a lot of value in this one. The keyboard shortcut is Shift-C. This shortcut will collapse the entire Feature Manager tree, making it much easier to find all of your top-level components and features in your tree. So in the past, if you needed to add or change the type of material used in your part, you had to right-click on the material in the Feature Manager tree to edit it. Well, that's still the same. But now, how you select the material has changed. There's a search box in the top of the Material Edit dialog box that you can use to filter out the materials by text. You start typing in the search box, click on the material that you want, apply it to your model, and away you go. So in a nutshell, SOLIDWORKS 2020 has added a few ways to help improve how the user interacts with the software to make you, the SOLIDWORKS user, much more efficient on a day-to-day basis.